Boolean theorems. Last classes we have discussed the properties of 0, properties of 1 and idempotency law. In properties of 0, 0 is combining with x. Theorem is 0 plus x is equal to x, 0 dot x is equal to 0. In properties of 1, 1 is combining with x. That is 1 plus x is equal to 1, 1 dot x is equal to x. In idempotency law, one variable is combining with the same variable. Here x is combining with x itself. That is first theorem, x plus x is equal to x. Second theorem is the dual of the first theorem, that is x dot x is equal to x. Today we are discussing about involution law and complementarity law. Involution law is x double bar is equal to x. Complementarity law is x plus x bar is equal to 1, x dot x bar is equal to 0. Then first involution law. Involution law is x double bar is equal to x. Here for representing this x double for representing involution law, we need two NOT gate, because here what is the input? X. Here one and only one logical variable, that is x. For NOT gate, how many input we require? One input. This NOT gate accept x as the input. If x is the input, what will be the output? X bar will be the output of this NOT gate. Then for the second NOT gate, what is the input? X bar is the input of second NOT gate. Then what will be the output? X double bar will be the output, that is equal to x. Then proof by truth table. Then here which is the input? X. First column is x, next one x bar, next column x double bar. See here what are the possible values of x? 0 and 1. Then 0 bar is the next column, x bar. 0 bar is equal to 1. 1 bar is equal to 0. Then here x bar, then x double bar. 1 bar is equal to 0. 0 bar is equal to 1. See here first column. Check the first column. First column is x. What is the value of x? 0, 1. What is the value of x double bar? What are the values? 0, 1. That is the first column and third column are identical. That is x double bar is equal to x, because first column and third column are identical. That is x is equal to x double bar, or x double bar is equal to x. Next, proof by perfect induction. In proof by perfect induction, we need to substitute all the possible values for the logical variable. What are the possible values? 0 and 1. Where theorem is x double bar is equal to x. Here which is the LHS side? X double bar. RHS side is x. If x is equal to 0, LHS is equal to x double bar. Then put the value 0 for this x. Then x double bar is equal to 0 double bar. Then what is the value of 0 bar? 1. Then substitute 1 for this 0 bar. Then we will get 0 double bar is equal to 1 bar. That is equal to 0. 0 is equal to x. That is equal to RHS. Then if x is equal to 1, LHS is equal to x double bar. Then put the value 1 for this x. Then x double bar is equal to 1 double bar. What is the value of 1 bar? 0. So 1 double bar is equal to 0 bar. That is equal to 1 is equal to x. That is equal to RHS. That is we got LHS is equal to RHS. So the theorem proved. That is involution law is x double bar is equal to x. Next theorem, complementarity law. In complementarity law, one variable is combining with its complement. One variable is combining with its variable. Here we are taking x as the variable. So, x in complementarity law, x is combining with its complement. Okay. What is the complement of x? X bar. X bar is the complement of x. So, here in complementarity law, x is combining with its complement. Means, x is combining with x bar. See here, first theorem, x plus x bar is equal to 1. Second theorem, x bar is equal to 0. That is, in both the theorem, x is combining with x bar. First theorem is x plus x bar is equal to 1. Second theorem is the dual of the first theorem. What is principle of duality? From one Boolean relation, we can derive another Boolean relation by changing plus sign to dot sign to plus sign, 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Here we need to change this plus to dot and this 1 to 0. Then we will get x dot x bar is equal to 0. Then how can we, first theorem, x plus x bar is equal to 1. How can you represent this using logic gate symbol? See, for representing x bar, we need which gate? NOT gate. For representing x bar, we need NOT gate. Then for representing this plus sign, we need one OR gate. So first, how can you represent x bar? See here, what is the input? X. Then using this NOT gate, we will get this output x bar. Then for this OR gate, what are the inputs? One input is x, other input is x bar. So here output will be x plus x bar, that is equal to 1. That is complementarity law is x plus x bar is equal to 1. Then the second theorem, x bar is equal to 0. For representing this theorem, what are the gates we require? One NOT gate for representing this x bar, then one AND gate. Then see here, x is the input. Now output of this NOT gate is x bar. Then for this AND gate, what are the inputs of this AND gate? One input is x, next input is x bar. Then what will be the output of AND gate? X and x bar, x dot x bar, that is equal to 0. Then can prove the first theorem. Complementarity law, first theorem is x plus x bar is equal to 1. Then so the first column is x, next column x bar, third column is x plus x bar. See here, what are the possible values of this x? 0, 1. Here x bar is 1, 0. Then x plus x bar is equal to, what are the values? 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So we got x plus x bar is equal to 1. From this truth table, we can see x plus x bar is equal to 1. And proof by perfect induction. X plus x bar is equal to 1. That is the theorem. Then in perfect induction, we need to substitute all the possible values of this x. That is, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Then if here which is the LHS? X plus x bar. RHS is 1. If x is equal to 0, LHS is equal to x plus x bar. X plus x bar is equal to, what is the value of x? 0. So, x plus x bar is equal to 0 plus 0 bar. What is the value of 0 bar? 1. That is equal to 0 plus 1. What is the value of 0 plus 1? That is equal to 1. That is equal to RHS. Then, if x is equal to 1, LHS is equal to x plus x bar. Then substitute 1 for this x. That is x plus x bar is equal to 1 plus 1 bar. What is the value of 1 bar? 0. So 1 plus 1 bar is equal to 1 plus 0. That is equal to 1. That is equal to RHS. That's we got LHS is equal to RHS. So x plus x bar is equal to 1. And the second theorem, complementarity law second theorem, is the dual of the first theorem. Second theorem is the dual of the first theorem is x plus x bar is equal to 1. Sorry, this is not 0, it is 1. So the first theorem, second theorem is x dot x bar is equal to 0. First theorem we have proved. First theorem x plus x bar is equal to 1. That theorem we have proved. So the dual also will be true. So hence the second theorem proved. Because the first theorem we have already proved. Second theorem is the dual of the first one. So second theorem also proved.